Hi everyone. Today I went out to go fishing just to catch a few bass, but every angler's dream of catching a fish like this turned real. One cast turned into a surprise catch of a lifetime, one of the wildest fights I've ever had. Enjoy the video. Fish number one. Sorry, guy. Fish number one. I lost my other chatterbait, but this one probably like 2 pounds, maybe 1 3/4. Better one. On the Texas rig. Good belly, healthy fish. See if we can catch more. Here's what I'm using. Using a Texas rig, bobber stop, and then a bullet rate tungsten. Don't know the weight, but nothing crazy. And then I'm just punching in with 20-pound fluoro. Boom! On the square bill. Feisty one. There we go. Put a quick weight on her. Three, two. Release. We'll go over here. Nice. Oh, the poor little guy. Rock bass. Oh my gosh. Another one. What the heck? In the weeds.
I know.
Just getting used to it.
That, and then I keep looking. There's a lot of weeds, but I'm thinking if I went into the.
I don't think I have mine on still. Oh my gosh, I do. He got out. I'm gonna have to cut because I swore a little.
Did you hear the one that hit mine right by the boat?
I heard it, yeah. Little guy.
don't have a ton of money wrapped up in it versus the guys that have the much nicer ones.
Yep.
So if you can't go, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, you can look at it in the garage and be like, that's fine. Oh, I don't know where he's at. Ooh. Feisty little guy. Nice.
Healthy.
Yeah. Good green fish. Oh, sorry. I thought we had one under yours. Maybe not.
We did too.
They could have came off, I guess. I keep forgetting I need to throw one and put one in the boat down at the lake. How do you like your new sunglasses?
Oh, they're awesome.
I like them a lot more than your other ones. Like they fit your face better.
I needed an update.
Dad,
Holy shit.
can you turn the music off?
You don't know if it's a pike yet or a muskie.
It looks like a.
He got one, dude.
I think I do too.
I thought, did you think you saw red tips there?
Dad. Okay. Okay. Holy fudge.
It is one.
It is a muskie. Holy cow. Shit.
I got the net.
Okay. Oh,
Dude, you caught one.
holy cow. Hold on, I hooked your shoe. Okay. Oh, okay. So here's what I'm gonna do.
Tucker's first muskie.
Can you step back and get him like... I know I had him out for a bit. I can't believe I caught him.
I think I would release the plastic thing, the grip.
You think?
Yeah, I think he's gonna go.
Thank you. Dude, I got that recorded. We can relive this moment for the rest of our lives. Thank you, Dad.
Like, sure. And I took the roll and I held it up to the window and ran
Oh gosh, yep.
Cut the roll in half. He looks at me and he's like, "Is my piece outside?" I'm like, "Well, no, it's on division." He's like, "Fuck." And then he's like, "Do you need a napkin?" And I'm like, "I do."
Not as big.
And then all of a sudden he hands me the napkin holder from the counter.
Yeah?
He stole that.
Oh, of course. If you want front, you can. It's pretty windy here. Monster!
Rock bass?
No, a largemouth. Walleye monster.
He was going up in my lure.
I think he was.
He was more to the right. He was a little big. So what do you want to do? Do you want to go around the back side here, or do you want to go
I got him.
Nice.
Oh, there's another one with him.
I had already thrown, sorry.
You're good.
He's decent.
I just threw him over here because of the, for obvious reasons, I'm scared of treble hooks. Bye-bye. Where are we going? Oh, you're going.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
It's pretty.